The OnePlus Ace 6T is officially here, and there's more good news. On December 17th, it's heading to global markets under its new name, the OnePlus 15R. This device is clearly built to be a performance beast. It pushes a bold seaside design, offers some of the best battery endurance in its segment, and is clearly tailored for competitive gaming fans. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. What really sets the Ace 6T apart is its display. It not only brings over the 165Hz ultra-high refresh gaming screen from the previous OnePlus 15, but it also happens to be the only phone in its price range offering such a crazy refresh rate. And a high refresh rate isn't just about big numbers. It means you literally get 45 extra frames per second in supported games. That's a massive jump in smoothness, especially when you're running, turning, or tracking fast movements. Take Delta Force as an example. When the character slides across the screen, the OnePlus display stays silky smooth, almost like it's wearing a perfectly tailored German suit. Competing devices with 120 FPS sometimes show flickering or jittery motion, which can be distracting. Under identical tests, same gun, same firing speed, same auto clicker, the OnePlus ends up using fewer bullets and delivering higher damage in the same time frame simply because of how smoothly it refreshes. Now that we've covered its strongest highlights, let's talk about the design. The Ace 6T keeps OnePlus's signature clean and stylish vibe, featuring a gold-trimmed rounded display corner and a sharp metal cube-style deco camera module. Its frame is built from high-strength aluminum alloy, so everyday bumps won't be much of a concern. Durability is another area where it stands out, with IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K protection. This phone is seriously tough. It can handle dust, high-pressure jets, and even full submersion in water. You get 3 color options: hot water, electroplated paper, and shimmering black. Personally, I think electroplated paper looks the coolest. It uses a dial-up textured back with a soft purple tone and an Ace logo, and under lighting, it creates an effect that looks like electric currents running across the surface. It genuinely feels like a high-end flagship, not your typical mid-range performance phone. With the design covered, let's move on to... Now let's dive into what's inside, because this is where the Ace 6T really pulls ahead of its competition. Its standout strength is pure performance, especially when it comes to gaming. It's the first phone to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 platform, built on a second-generation 3nm process and paired with a brand new GPU that pushes its big core up to 3.8 GHz. Compared to the previous generation, both the audio and overall performance take a noticeable leap forward. Everyday multitasking feels effortless, and jumping into demanding games rarely slows it down. But having a powerful chip isn't enough on its own. OnePlus has tuned the underlying architecture so the CPU, GPU, and NPU can work together seamlessly to maintain high frame rates across different scenarios. With the G2 chip and smart touch controls added to the mix, even after an hour of non-stop gameplay, the network stayed steady, the controls stayed sharp, and the frame rate held a rock-solid 165 FPS. That level of stability is seriously impressive. Of course, high frame rates generate heat, and without proper cooling, any phone would overheat fast. That's why the Ace 6T comes equipped with a brand new IceCore cooling system. The upgraded IceCore VC, enhanced graphite layers, and drop pressing process help pull heat away from the chip more efficiently. In real-world testing, even after an hour of intense triple jumping, the warmest point on the phone stayed under 42 degrees Celsius. Battery life is another area where this device flexes its muscles. It packs an 8300 mAh IceCore battery paired with 100-watt SuperCharge. That's a huge capacity for a performance-focused phone. Even with heavy usage, you can easily get 7 to 8 hours of screen time, which is great news for gamers. I'm especially a fan of the bypass charging feature. When you're gaming while plugged in, the charger powers the system directly instead of running everything through the battery. This keeps the device cooler and helps slow down battery aging. It's a smart, practical addition. Now, let's talk cameras. While the Ace 6T isn't aiming to be a top-tier camera flagship, it still delivers dependable results. The 50-megapixel main camera works with flagship-grade image algorithms to produce excellent portraits with realistic colors, along with 4K live photos and AI-enhanced features that expand what you can do creatively. Before wrapping up, we should touch on the system and AI experience. ColorOS 16 has been optimized all the way from its core system logic to its animation flow. Over time, app launches, task switching, and home screen motions stay smooth and responsive. On the AI side, you get left and right click shortcut keys. Pressing the left key gives you instant AI summaries, while the right key A6T brings up a small assistant that can hold real-scene conversations or generate quick comments. If something confuses you, just lift the phone and ask. It's that simple and convenient. As for pricing, the base OnePlus A6T, or globally the OnePlus 15R, starts at 2,399 yuan in China, which is roughly 255 pounds in the UK or about $340 in the US. To sum it all up, the A6T stands out with a personality of its own. Its design and build quality feel close to flagship level. The in-hand experience and durability are excellent. The 165Hz eSports display is rare in this segment, and the massive 8300 mAh battery with bypass charging makes a huge difference. If I had to describe the overall experience in one line, I'd say this phone is built for gamers who care about stable performance and long battery life. If you're someone who spends a lot of time gaming at high frame rates and just needs the camera to be consistent and good looking, the A6T is definitely a performance-focused flagship worth keeping an eye on.